This 5-minute solution will show you how to log out WhatsApp on Android. Follow these easy and quick steps to log out from your WhatsApp account. Go to your Android settings, scroll down, tap on Apps, tap on Manage Apps, and here search for WhatsApp. All you have to do is just tap on WhatsApp and tap on Clear Data. Tap on Clear All Data. Okay. And now if I open the WhatsApp app, as we can see, I've successfully logged out from my WhatsApp account. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.